Hey guys, it's Anthony from Just Keep It Fresh. Now to all of you who is interested in getting paint protection film on your car, we have something very special for you. So stay tuned to the end of the video and we'll tell you what it is. But before we do that, I want to tell you 6 reasons as to why people are choosing paint protection film to protect their car right now. Number 1. Paint protection film is actually made of a TPU material. It is a thick, clear film that we actually apply on your car. Now, this film stops debris, rock chips, or anything hard or physical from harming the surface of your car. Now, you'd think that this is the only thing that it could do, but no, it actually stops your car from getting UV damage from the sun, especially in the weather in Australia. And also, it stops environmental damages such as bird poop, tree sap, any of those things from eating into your paint. Number 2. It has something called self-healing. Now, talking about scratching your car and rock debris, self-healing is actually one of the biggest reasons why I have optioned my car with paint protection film. I know that sometimes when I use my dirty cloth at home to wipe my car's paint, it may cause scratches. But with paint protection film, you don't have to worry about that. Under any sort of heat, for example, the sun or a heat gun, or even your hairdryer, it can actually restore those scratches. So, be aware, if your paint protection film is scratched, make sure to use some heat and it will recover. Number 3, because it stops all these rock chips and scratches from getting on your car, it can actually increase your car's resale value. Number 4, the enhanced look on your car. Now, obviously, people who actually option in for paint protection film is to keep their car from looking any different. They want to preserve the look of their paint. They want to keep their appearance. Now, with paint protection film, it actually makes your car look glossier depending on which brands you use. We use Suntech and we use Steck. These 2 big brands are ones that we trust because we know when we apply this on your paint, it's gonna look the same, or in fact, even glossier and shinier, which can bring out that richer look and more clarity on your paint as well. Finally, the long-term cost saving of paint protection film. Now, a lot of people feel that paint protection film is quite expensive initially, and there is a reason why. Because it takes a lot of material, which costs a lot of money if you're using the right brands, and also is quite labor intensive. However, the money that you are saving in fixing up all those rock chips every time you get one, all those dents, all those scratches, is actually gonna be worth it for you. So, these are the reasons why people are getting paint protection film. Now lastly, the reason why a lot of people want to use PPF on their car is because of its toughness. We've talked about how thick it is, but really you wouldn't know how thick it is until you see how tough it is. We'll put many objects on this test to try to break this film. We use scissors, we've used knives, we've used screwdrivers, and this thing just wouldn't break. And knowing that is actually a really good peace of mind to myself and the customers who actually have this on their car, that it's gonna protect your car from those nasty people who's gonna key your car, or from yourself when you're leaning against the car with keys on your pants, or even with zips that are outside your pants. What not a better way or worse way to damage your car than doing yourself by accident without knowing. Paint protection film is gonna fix that for you. Now, if you're one of those people and you're thinking of getting your car paint protection film applied because you just got a new car, you don't know what to do and you think it's a bit pricey, well, we have a special offer for you. For every car that is doing a full car paint protection film with us at Just Keep It Fresh, we're giving you a free ceramic coating on top of that paint protection film, and we're gonna coat the interior, so we have your interior covered as well, and we're also gonna coat your wheels. You never think of the wheels. Every time, no one thinks of the wheels, but when they wash their cars, they realize it is very, very hard to clean. So, tell me what you think, guys. If you're interested, don't forget to make an inquiry right now. And remember, guys, just keep it fresh.